welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you're well. Today I'm going to do a video to basically talk through some luxury beauty item must-haves. So just luxury must-haves you kind of like, you know, sometimes when you've kind of had a bonus at work, or you just, you know, it's like a birthday or Christmas or something, you just want to treat yourself, there's some kind of like luxury items that you save up for, and here's are just some must-haves. Like, you know, there's some items that you can kind of, a lot of makeup items actually, or beauty items, you can kind of make do with like drugstore versions and stuff, and these aren't like, oh my god, you're not going to get through life. But if you're going to have luxury items, like Chanel, Dior, YSL, my favourite, just to warn you, there's a lot of YSL in this video. These are just nice luxury items to have, if that makes sense. Anyway, so first of all, the perfume. You want to have at least one luxury, everyone's got their scent, whether it's like Prada, Marc Jacobs, Stella McCartney, YSL, so I wear all the other ones as well that I just mentioned, but YSL Black Opium is like my scent. I absolutely love it. So you want to have at least like one luxury scent that's like your scent, and then when you've got your one scent, you kind of want to have everything you can get in that scent. So like shower gel, body cream, like a little mini. So YSL is obviously known for their Touche Eclat, so they've got like the Touche Eclat shape in the Black Opium. They've got like a pen, perfume pen, so I keep that, which has got oil in it as well, so it kind of lasts on you. Then, like I said, I just try to get everything I can in the Black Opium. So I've got the dry oil for body and your hair, and oh my god, it's amazing. So just once you've got your scent, you kind of want that scent to last, and anything that you can have to enhance the scent. So like, you know, you've got the body cream, the shower gel, the dry oil, all of that. I'm going to stick to YSL as I'm on it. As you know, I am absolutely obsessed with primer, and I'm not saying that you have to have a designer primer, because you don't at all. There's so many good primers out there, but this YSL Blur Primer is unbelievably good, and it just makes your skin feel lovely. So if you love YSL like I do, or you're primer obsessed like I am, then the YSL one is worth trying out. But if you're kind of not really into primers, then stick to the primers you've got. It's just that because I'm obsessed with primers, I wanted this YSL one, and actually it's a very, very good primer. While I'm on YSL, Touche Eclat. Touche Eclat is something that everyone just needs in their makeup kit. Either the highlight version, because which is the original Touche Eclat, because it's just highlight on the go. It is just so good. Just keep it in your handbag, and like, it's tiny, it hardly takes up any room. Everybody needs a Touche Eclat. It's just so good. So I've also recently launched the Touche Eclat concealer, so that's another one to have in your handbag. You can either have both, or you just need one. But basically, if you're just going to have one, you've never used Touche Eclat before, you might as well just go with the concealer, because it conceals and brightens as well. But like, look how small they are, they're not doing any harm in your handbag. Foundation. So it's just nice to have like that one luxury foundation. So the Chanel ones are absolutely lovely. The one that I used to love at Chanel got discontinued, and obviously because I'm a YSL girl, I just used the YSL All Hours foundation, which is lovely. But a lot of people love the Armani one. The Dior foundations are really good. Just find your brand, and it's just nice to have one, at least one luxury foundation, because spoil yourself. This video is about the luxury beauty must-have, so one of the items should be a foundation. If you're a powder girl like I am, I always have a pressed powder in my handbag, and it's just nice to be able to pull out a nice luxury one. And the one that I've got at the moment is Charlotte Tilbury, because it's just, I do think Charlotte Tilbury is a luxury brand because it's so expensive. So it's just, and I like it because it's nice and thin and compact. Obviously because I'm a YSL girl, I'd love to have the YSL powder, but I just find it a little bit bulky. It doesn't fit in my small night out handbags. So the Charlotte Tilbury is nice and compact and fits in all the handbags. But it's nice to have kind of like a nice luxury powder just to pull out your handbag and powder your nose. Equally, if you have highlight on the go, a lot of brands do highlight really well, and I actually love the Dior Nude Skin highlight. It is just really good. I don't carry highlight in my handbag because I just do all my makeup and set it very well at home. And it's not just about the handbag. If you want to kind of treat yourself to a luxury highlight, I think the dual ones are really, really nice. Lipstick. Everyone needs just that one designer lipstick, and I just wanted to go so classic with this and just go for the Chanel red lipstick. I should have a nice luxury nude lipstick just because I'm such a nude lipped person. The Chanel lipstick, everyone just needs a lovely your shade Chanel lipstick, and I just went for red because it was classic Chanel. So there we go. What shade is this? This is shade 49. Finally, my final luxury item, Show Beauty. So Show Beauty is like luxury hair care. It is such a nice brand. I absolutely love it. And this is the treatment oil. So I would either go for the treatment oil or the hair fragrance, which is so nice. But look how nice this packaging is. It's just so luxurious, looks so nice on your dresser. And actually, I love this hair oil. I use this hair oil every other day. So not on the day that on the second day after I've washed my hair, just to kind of put a bit of moisture back into the hair and just make it look all nice, so the waves don't look too dry. So this, I washed my hair today, so I didn't use it today, but I'll use it tomorrow. But it just smells so nice, and it's just a lovely, lovely oil and a lovely must-have luxury item for your hair. So there you go. This video was requested actually. Lots of people wanted to know like luxury item must-haves and like great products, great luxury beauty products and stuff. So that's the video. I don't want you to feel like you're not kind of like a beauty addict, or you have to go out and buy all these expensive products. So there's always like cheaper versions of them. I don't only use luxury products, as you know. I use a lot of other brands, luxury, non-luxury, drugstore. There's lots of different brands I use, and there's lots of places that do these things really well. This was kind of just like talking about the luxury items for the people who wanted to know about them. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, which I don't really do now, but you can follow me if you want. Instagram's the place to be. And I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye guys!